How to restore a deleted calendar on your iPhone. So if you're missing specific events in your calendar, or you've accidentally deleted an entire calendar, then I'm going to show you how to go in restore this. Now, the first step is you need to go and load up the settings on your phone. You can then click on your profile name at the top of this screen, and then click on iCloud. Now, next to save to iCloud, click on see all. Now scroll down to the iCloud calendar and click on this, and make sure use on this iPhone is turned on and enabled. Now if this is already turned on, you can go and close out of this window, and you'll need to go and open up a Safari browser. Now head over to the website iCloud.com, click on the sign in button, and you'll need to sign in to your Apple account. Once you're signed in to your Apple iCloud, click on the square icon in the top right hand side. And if you scroll down, you'll see an option for data recovery. Click on this. Now scroll down until you see restore calendars. And if your calendar has been backed up, you can go and click on this option and you can basically restore an archive of your calendar. Now, if it's still not working, there is one final solution. So go and open back up the settings on your phone. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on apps. Now scroll down again until you see an app called Mail and click on this. Click on Mail Accounts. You can then click on your different email accounts. So I'm going to click on Gmail. And if you have an option for calendars, go and toggle this off. Now click delete from my iPhone and then wait a couple of seconds and go and turn this back on. Once it's turned back on, this will resync all of your calendars. You can head back over to the calendar app. Click on the calendar icon in the bottom right hand side and make sure your calendar is turned on and checked from these boxes here. Now once you've done that, it should restore any missing calendars from your mobile.